Pro manufactured a new generation of wireless receivers for our 2018 M.I.N.E trapping system. Each new transmitter must be manually paired with a control box receiver the first time they are linked together. It is not necessary to pair transmitters to our receiver more than one time, unless the frequency is manually erased from the receiver memory. This video will demonstrate how to pair the radio frequency, or RF signal, of both the M.I.N.E camera transmitter and the Onsite Push Button Transmitter to our new control box receiver. First, we will identify the RF receiver components and understand their functions. The left button is labeled Pair to Transmitter and will illuminate the red light for 15 seconds. The right button is labeled Frequency Select and will toggle between two different frequency channels. The red light should flash 3 times when each receiver is initially connected to a 12-volt battery. Press and release the Frequency Select button and the red light will flash 5 times to indicate channel 2. The M.I.N.E camera transmitter and the green Onsite transmitter will be paired to channel 1. The white Onsite transmitter will be paired to channel 2. Our M.I.N.E camera has an internal transmitter on the circuit board and must be located within 50 yards of the M.I.N.E gate to operate. For convenience, the M.I.N.E camera should be paired next to the control box receiver before mounting to its recommended T-post position on the opposite side of the trap. To pair the M.I.N.E camera transmitter, move camera selector switch from off to setup. Connect receiver to the 12-volt battery. Press and release the receiver frequency select button until the red light flashes 3 times to indicate the receiver is on channel 1. Press and release the pair to transmitter button and the red light will illuminate for 15 seconds, which means users only have 15 seconds to complete this task. Press and release camera left arrow, then press and release camera right arrow to send a manual RF signal to the control box receiver. RF trigger will appear at the bottom of camera screen. The red receiver light should flash 5 times, then no longer illuminate. The pairing process is complete. Test to ensure the M.I.N.E camera and receiver are paired. Press and release camera left arrow button, then press and release camera right arrow button while observing whether the green light illuminates for 1 second. If so, the test is successful. Warning: in the field, the test procedure will trigger the actuator and drop the gate. Stand clear of the gate as it could cause bodily harm. Ensure safety clip is installed if gate is in the up position. Our Onsite transmitter has a range of 250 yards with the antenna fully extended. It is push button operated and contains an on-off switch to prevent an accidental trigger. The down position turns the transmitter off and does not allow the remote to operate. The up position turns the transmitter on and allows the RF signal to transmit. Notice, the Onsite transmitter is paired to each control box receiver at the factory. Additional pairing is not necessary unless the frequency is manually erased from the receiver memory. Pressing and holding the pair to transmitter button until red light blinks will manually clear the receiver's memory. Remember, the old green Onsite transmitter must be paired to channel 1 and the new white Onsite transmitter must be paired to channel 2. However, all transmitters operate on channel 1, which is our default channel. Follow this example to pair the white transmitter. Connect receiver to the 12-volt battery. Press and release the receiver frequency select button until the red light flashes 5 times to indicate the receiver is on channel 2. Press and release the pair to transmitter button and the red light will illuminate for 15 seconds. An extended antenna or holding the transmitter close to the receiver will create RF signal interference. Ensure Onsite transmitter antenna is retracted and held an arm's length away from the control box. Press and hold transmitter button until the red receiver light flashes 5 times, then no longer illuminates. The pairing process is complete. Test to ensure the Onsite transmitter and control box receiver are paired. Remember, the white Onsite transmitter operates on channel 1. Press and release the receiver frequency select button until the red light flashes 3 times to indicate the receiver is on channel 1. Press the Onsite transmitter button while observing whether the green light illuminates for 1 second. If so, the pairing was successful. Warning: in the field, the test procedure will trigger the actuator and drop the gate. Stand clear of the gate as it could cause bodily harm. Ensure safety clip is installed if gate is in the up position. Final M.I.N.E trapping system test is performed in the field. Mount the M.I.N.E camera to a T-post above our patented 1860 trap panels. Ensure the trip arm is in the upright position. Raise the gate with both hands and then lower the trip arm striker into the latch. Stand clear and press the Close Gate command using the JAGER Pro app. The M.I.N.E gate should fall with no hesitation or binding. Each video in our series promotes whole sounder success by training our integrated wild pig control model to professional hog control operators while educating the farmers and landowners we service. Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment or learn more about the methods and technology needed to better control feral hog populations in your area. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel to view our entire instructional video series. Once online, keep clicking and like the JAGER Pro Hog Control Systems Facebook page. If you have a story idea or just want to leave us a comment or suggestion, feel free to send us a message through Facebook or email us at info@jagerpro.com.